Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm using this 8 by 8 watercolor paper and then these two colors, walnut ink and the dilutions ink spray I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put some walnut ink first and then I'm going to spray some water and I'm going to spread it out. Then I'm going to heat it but not completely dry. Then I'm splattering little bit more so it gets dark in certain areas and um, spread it out little bit. Now I'm going to open this new dilutions ink spray. Then I'm going to put some of that ink in that. Now I'm going to just move around so it gets blended. Then I'm going to dry this thing now. Now it's completely dry. Then I'm going to add this stencil and just I'm just going to take a pen and draw a little bit. I'm just drawing like different shapes. Then I'm using this neo color crayons and I'm going to add that in this project. Then I'm adding this light orange color, that is the neo color. I'm mixing it in this. Then I'm adding another color in this, violet color. Then I'm going to dry it now. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so that you will get all my videos whenever I post it. So I'm using this stamp. Then I'm adding washi tape in this project. So this is optional. If you want to add stamps, you can add stamp, or if you have any beautiful washi tape, you can add it. I'm going to tape the edges and then I'm going to attach this in the project. Then I'm adding couple of more different washi tapes. So now I'm going to add a little more elements. So I'm using the black pen and I'm drawing some lines and dots. I'm using black archival ink and I'm going to just splatter it. Then I'm going to dry all these. Now for the focal point, I'm using some of these Tim Holtz black and white pictures and then some dyes. I'm adding dies in this, and then a small butterfly. So I'm going to add the coat in this project and finish it. So this ends my project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will put the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So if you like my project, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.